Thank you for joining the session. Today we are going to discuss about Citrix delivery group. Okay. So in the last session we successfully created Citrix machine catalog with MCS. So the server operating system, multi-session operating system, we have taken the image and machine catalog is created. So during the machine catalog creation, I have selected two missions. The two missions are successfully created. Now if you want, you can select right click and view the missions. The missions will be appear here. So now these missions, these two missions, I can share. Okay, I can give access to the users. With these missions, I can deliver desktop and applications. Both are possible. Right now, the both machines are powered on registered. So that means we don't have any issues in this particular mission catalog. So what is the next procedure? We need to create a delivery group. With the delivery group, we can associate users to these missions, can get access applications and desktop. Applications and desktop. Now, how to create a delivery group? What is the process to create a delivery group? So let me go to delivery groups in the studio console on the delivery controller and create a delivery group here. So you will get a window. So here you can click next, and whatever the mission catalog you created, so maybe multiple mission catalog, you can select one of the mission catalog, how many missions you want to add into the delivery group, you need to select it. So at least a minimum one mission is required to create a delivery group from the mission catalog. Right now there are two missions available in this mission catalog. I'm adding two missions to the delivery group directly. I'm not keeping any missions freely available in the mission catalog. Both missions I'm adding here into the delivery group. Now you can see this type RDS MCS random. That means RDS means remote desktop service, MCS means machine creation services random. Let me give you a more information about this type. Remote desktop service means users can able to access remotely to the operating system, that is called remote desktop services. Machine creation services means the machine catalog method, the provisioning type is called MCS. Random, the machine will be assigned to the user every time when you log off and log in, log off and log in, new sessions will be get connected to the different servers. That means here only two missions are there. One time when you connected, maybe one mission will get connected, maybe log off and log in, your session will get connected to other server. So that is a session is called random. So previously this random mission catalog, we have a persistent and non-persistent. So non-persistent means random missions, persistent means static missions. Going forward, I'll explain what is meaning of static missions. Okay, click on next and you can select here what is meaning of users. So whoever wants to access the applications and desktop from this delivery group, those users we need to add here. You need to add users by selecting the click add. Directly you can add a specific user, either group of users. Individual users adding is not a best practices. If you more users are adding into this console, there is a chances of application connectivity issues. So try to limiting the number of users, maybe less than 5 or less than 10, that would be fine. If more than 10, better try to avoid individually providing the access to the delivery group. You can create a AD security group, and the group you can add here and providing access. Going forward, in another session, I will explain how to create a user groups in Active Directory and provide access. So right now I'm giving just access to there is some test users are there. Okay, there is a test user are available. Then I am providing the username user2. So these two users I'm providing access. Click on OK. Next. So now we can publish application, we can publish desktop. application publishing is called published apps. If a desktop is publishing, published desktop. If the servers we are using in the mission catalog to deliver applications and desktop through delivery group, if application name is called published apps, and if you are publishing in a desktop, we call it as published desktop, multi-session desktop, and the published apps. These are the two methods are there. Right now I'm selecting the applications. So I never install any application in the master mission. So what are the mission 1 and mission 2 which is created in the mission catalog? Mostly it's a base operating system. No other applications we have installed in the previous session. But anyhow, even operating system also, few locally installed application by default applications are there, like a calculator, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, like that. So if any application is available, just I can select and I can deliver for testing purpose today. And going forward, at least 5 to 10 applications we will install on the master image, and we will update all the applications to the mission catalog to the delivery group, and we will deliver the applications to the end user. That we will be going forward, we will practice. So initially, let's go with the basic applications like a calculator, notepad, so MS Paint, like that you can select and you can publish here. Okay, this is a sample application, so you can understand this. And these all are options. Going forward, I'll explain advanced level concept. And click on next, and this is a desktop assignment. It is called publish desktop. You can provide the name for the desktop when user is accessing from the Citrix storefront page. We can give the name. Example, I created this mission, so that's why I'm giving my name. The method is MCS. The name I'm creating published desktop. So you can also, when you're publishing your desktop, you can provide this name and click OK. And now click on next, and you can provide the delivery group name. So you can give the delivery group name is like a DG hyphen and the name like a your name, after that MCS published apps and desktop. So this delivery group contains both applications and desktop delivery. That's why I given both. So now click finish. Now finally the studio is created. Finally the studio is created. Now successfully delivery group is created. So we can discuss about more information about what is meaning of delivery groups, what is the relation between delivery group to mission catalog. See here. So what is meaning of delivery group? So delivery group is nothing but assigned users to the specific desktops and applications we called as delivery group. The delivery type, we can deliver only desktop from the delivery group. Only we can deliver application from the delivery group. Both applications and desktop can be published to the users from the delivery group. These are the three types of delivery groups we can create. Okay. So assign users groups and unauthenticated users to resources. So this point is not needed. Okay, this is an important topic. Coming here in the delivery group application properties. So when you click add, there are three ways we can publish an applications. Today I explained from the start menu what are the applications available on the server, how I published. So notepad, calculator, MS Paint, I explained it. So going forward, manual and existing method how we can use to deliver an applications to the end user. I will show you later in the next session. So next, this is a relationship between the mission catalog and delivery group. Minimum one mission catalog is required to create a delivery group. Without mission catalog, delivery group cannot be created. Is a 1:1 relationship is required. At least a 1:1 relationship. And second point, a delivery group can be created between two mission catalogs. So that means a single delivery group can be clubbed, okay, the resources between one mission catalog to another mission catalog. But condition is very, very important. There are two types of mission catalogs are there: server based mission catalogs and desktop based mission catalogs. Server based OS mission catalog and server OS based mission catalog, we can club together, we can create a delivery group, it is possible. And desktop wise, desktop static mission catalog and desktop static mission catalog, both we can club and we can create a delivery group is possible. And server OS mission catalog, desktop OS mission catalog, club together, it is not possible. In the desktop wise, static mission catalog and a random mission catalog, both we can club together, is not possible. So this is a possible condition, this is a not possible conditions. And application group also one concept is there. So I will explain later because of that is not understandable right now. I will explain later. Let me tell you what is meaning of application group. So there are list of applications are there. Directly all applications we can group together in a separate entity, then we can publishing to the a particular environment, like example delivery group. Okay, so that is possible. Slowly, whenever I'm explaining the manual and existing application delivery, during the time we will create application group and we will publish an applications to the end user. So any questions here in this slide? Everybody's understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a question actually.
Yes, please.
Sir, the confusion part is, so when you create the machine catalog, right? So that time you have you have created two virtual machines, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the logic of that, sir? When we are creating the machine catalog, you have created two VMs as well, right?
No,
So
no,
then
I have
again we
selected,
are
right. I have mentioned that two missions need to create. If I mention
okay,
10 missions will create.
okay.
If I
Is
mention
that right?
50
Yeah.
missions will create. Okay.
Okay. Is that recommended or we can
No, no,
ignore
no, no,
that?
not recommended. I'll
Okay.
tell you what is the scenario.
Uh-huh.
Mm,
So why I
example.
was confused, you are creating the delivery group. That time you again created two machine, right? For the sessions, server OS session. That is a confusion.
Suppose you can take this. This
Yeah.
is my VDA master. Okay.
Yeah.
This is my VDA master. This is my XDC server. XDC means xendesktop delivery controller. So the XDC mission, it takes the VDA master, okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
and it is creating a mission catalog.
Okay.
It creating a mission catalog. So the mission catalog, the provisioning technique is MCS, Mission Creation Services. During the mission creation service, okay, it will ask a few things. It will ask a few things in this particular MCS process.
Okay.
So what are the information it is asking? What are the information it is asking?
Yeah, what catalog we should choose, something like that, right?
That's correct. So it will ask, hey, which VDA master, how many machines,
Yeah.
computer name, storage, and network. These all information which is asking here. So based on that,
Yeah.
the number of machines, computer type, storage, network will get created. Okay. So now this machine, suppose it is a Windows 16 and some application is there, same copy of machines will get created here.
Okay. Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood. Okay. Okay.
Suppose I mention this is a VDA master. This is the VDA master. I have selected how many missions? Suppose number 4.
Yeah.
And computer name is some name, like example Raj hyphen W16 hyphen 0 hash I provided.
Correct.
The pattern it will start,
Yeah.
and some storage and network. Suppose after the machine is created, this machine name may be, okay, Raj hyphen W16 hyphen 01. Maybe this is the computer name,
Yeah.
and probably this is a
Yeah. 0203, like that, right, sir?
like that. Yes,
030. Yeah.
exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
So this is the way
Okay.
machines will get created. So how I'll be providing this information, the same way the machine catalog will create it.
Okay.
So now the users are available here. Okay. Example, these are the users. Okay. These are the users are there. How can provide this access to this machine catalog? Not possible. Now, what we need to do? We need to create. We need to create what?
Delivery group, right, sir?
Exactly. We need to create a delivery group.
Group. Okay.
When creating a delivery group, definitely we will mention that which mission catalog, those missions we will add. Suppose, suppose these 4 missions we will add here.
Yeah.
These
Okay.
4 missions, okay, these 4 missions we will add here.
Okay.
So maybe this mission catalog, okay, maybe this mission catalog, maybe
Yes, sir.
maybe this mission catalog, sorry, this delivery group,
Okay.
either apps based, either desktop delivery, or both apps and
The stores. Okay.
Right. So these are the three ways any one of the method these applications or desktop is publishing to the users. So
Okay.
now users can access a desktop,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And same way users can access the
Apps.
apps
Okay.
like this.
Yes, sir. The count should be same. Like, sir, catalog you mentioned 4 machine. It should be same when creating the delivery groups as well. That was my doubt actually.
That's your wish. A single
Yeah.
mission catalog, you can create
Uh-huh.
multiple delivery groups also.
Okay.
But if four missions, if you added to the delivery group, one more mission, one more delivery group is not possible to create. Suppose if only two missions, if you added, remaining two missions, you can create a separate delivery group. That is
Uh-huh.
possible.
That was my doubt.
If
Yeah.
entire
Now.
missions, if you allocated, that is not possible to create one more delivery group. So because of complete
Okay. Okay.
resources you allocated here, right? So
Uh-huh.
it is possible to create.
Okay. While creating delivery group, we can go as per our wish. It's a 2 machine or 1 machine or whatever it is, right? That is not a problem.
Hmm. Right.
That's clear way. Thanks.
I hope everyone is clear. Deepti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Clear. Perfect. So that's it. So next class tomorrow, everybody please complete this machine catalogs and delivery groups without fail. Okay. I'm going to create storefront and storefront configuration, and after that applications and desktop delivery I will show you tomorrow. Okay. So this is a task for this week, and Saturday and Sunday you have a workshop. So we will prepare one project, and step by step information we will provide, and those work you need to prepare for that. Okay. The complete lab
Okay.
will be deleted. The complete lab will be deleted. Saturday, Sunday you can sit down.
Yeah.
So Lingadhar or maybe anybody will be lead the project, and based on the tasks, everybody you need to contribute. Don't log in with your mobile number, sorry, mobile. Please join with your personal laptop. Saturday, Sunday, most of the people you have a week off. You please join and you can complete. So only 2 days we are providing. Please plan together. And from Monday onwards, everybody will be working on collaborative mode. So the names, everything will be kind of real-time project level. We are going to build a lab. So every lab you are building, I am not building. So you are going to build that one. After that, will work on the advanced level concept. That is a project criteria.
Okay, sir. So all VMs will be deleted shortly, right? All
Yes.
VMs. What are the
Yes.
VMs?
So tomorrow, Friday, right? Tomorrow, Friday. So tomorrow night, before I'm shutting down the server, after 10 o'clock, I will remove all the servers. So from Saturday, Sunday, you need to build a very, very fresh machines.
Okay. Sure, sir. We will do.